Good morning, nurse. How you doing this morning? Well, I'm doing fine, Ashton. How are you doing today? I'm doing lovely this morning. I'm just looking to get my morning fix. I just need to see your methadone ID, sir. Oh, here you go. Oh, thank you, Mr. Ashton. Here you go. There's your dose. So refreshing. Thank you, ma'am. And here's your take-home bottle. Thank you, ma'am. I'll just put that in my handy-dandy lockbox. Close that up. Change the code. Alright, man, we're all safe. You have a nice day. Oh, you have a lovely day, Ashton. And enjoy your buzz.